Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. This is my friend's 1997 4Runner limited version, and he just discovered some oil or some fluid on the inside of his rear tire. Let's go look together what could be wrong with it. So it's nicely in the air. That will be easy to check what's happening around here, and I see immediately bunch of splashing here. And basically, if you think about it, right, what is here at that rear axle? There is either oil in the rear axle, or that could be also brake fluid. So let's go ahead and remove the wheel and we will see what's happening. Here you can see the back of the tire, so that leak is pretty big or getting bigger, I don't know. Here you see the splashing, right? And if we turn this, I'm assuming the wheel was sitting like that, and it's all that oil. And I said it oil because it looks like a oil. If it was a brake fluid, it'll be probably a little bit thinner. Right, so I got my gloves. This is nice and loose, fortunately. Here is just tiny bit of the either oil or brake fluid, as we said. And I will bring the light so we can see better here. And as you can see, these rear brakes could use some brake cleaner, right? The amount of dust is really large. We immediately see it's not a brake fluid coming from this brake cylinder from either side, that the seal will be bad. And now what I see, and I cannot show you because this camcorder is too big, but it's all wet right here, right? So this is where our leak is coming from. Now it's perfectly confirmed. It's that rear axle seal which is down there, and this needs to be repaired ASAP. Before I remove the wheel, I was checking for possible bearing play, but there was absolutely none, so it should be not due to the fail bearing. The leak will be due to the bad oil seal, and hopefully in the time when that will come for repair, I will have enough time to film it for you and post it on this Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. So please make sure that you are subscribed and you don't miss any of those. Thank you for watching today, and have a wonderful day, my friend.